Just a little look at the crepe myrtle tree after the rain. And my 4 o'clocks are down. Hummingbird feeder. Must not have had the end on there tight. This white rose of Sharon blooming. Finally got a red better boy. Left him on to get vine ripe. Got a few leaves I need to trim. I'm not going to be planting this variety of tomato next year. We got a lot of rain in a couple of days. There's these unknown, unidentified tomatoes. This is my canary melon down here. I picked off the one little melon that was on there. And there's another early girl tomato. Everything's clustered up in here. Eggplants, blue lake beans. Sorry. Bumpy, bumpy. Is a Casper pumpkin. It's been raining hard. Got a nice runner off of the canary melon over there. And let's see. There's another Casper pumpkin. Sweet potatoes are going everywhere. Beautiful. It's 95 you hear in the background. The only problem I found with the tomatoes this year is they're a little woody from the sudden rain and then the drought in between. All that light green growth is all new growth on that cactus. There's my little fig trees. I ended up with 1, 2, 3, there's 2 in that pot, 4, 5, 6, putting on a lot of new growth now. 7, this one looks real good. These are lemon trees that came up from store-bought lemon seeds. Just a nice fat lemon. I kept the biggest seeds. There's something in there. I saw a friend rub some strawberry seeds on a paper towel, so I tried that too. There's 2 of something coming up in there, but very well could be grass. This is my new garden area. These are all limbs from apple tree that I took the foliage off of, and I'm gonna make braid some trellis with it. And I got a little bit of corn as well as some wiregrass coming up. Beans are doing pretty good. Crawling everywhere. They're supposed to crawl up the corn, but the corn is too little. And this is zucchini. Yep, this is my silver queen over here. I'll probably not get any. This one's doing pretty good back here for never having anything been grown back here. And this is the little squash. Looks like that little squash down there is dead. I planted these ponderosas 2 days ago. I made a video of my errands and out and about and haven't been able to export it. This is a sweet potato I put in the ground. And I had shredded some paper and put it out here. Yep. Left my paper shredder out here in the rain. This the Russian purple tomatoes, doing pretty good. That's what those three are, right there, and right there. You can see how far down my crepe myrtle is. She's pretty far. Flowers have turned into a wild mess. Oh, there's a butterfly. One little yellow butterfly. Underneath here, there's a bunch of flowers. And there's that white 4 o'clock I was talking about. Zinnias in here. Coneflowers. Yep. That's a mess.